Sanggalang kontra kay Belga. Ian spins to his strong side, gets the friendly bounce, 25 points.
That is where he wants to go.
Still in this. Oh, they get lucky here. That's an offensive foul. Tapos may review pa.
Oh, there was a little extension on the behind. Tumalon siya. He was not able to establish a good screening position. And that is why it was called an offensive foul. And Cabueva quickly acknowledges.
Gatasan ng Orasan. Their shot clock reads 12 right now. Uses the brush screen. Barroca, fall away. Jay is gone!
Oh, that's a difficult shot.